Have you thought about a career in the cryptocurrency industry? As they continue to embrace digital assets, companies such as Visa and Nomura Holdings have established dedicated crypto departments. Analyzing the labor market is one of my favorite things to do. I used to work as a labor market analyst for a Canadian think tank that specialized in the IT sector. Tech workers have always had higher demand, higher pay, and lower unemployment rates than the rest of the economy. Despite the fact that blockchain and cryptocurrency were virtually non-existent during my tenure, these emerging technologies are now driving exponential growth in an industry transitioning from Web 2 to Web 3. This week we focus on the growing demand for cryptocurrency professionals in the traditional finance and payment industries. We also look at the most recent funding news from the blockchain world. Visa is looking for recent college graduates for its crypto development program. Visa is inviting recent college graduates to participate in its crypto development program, an 18-month rotational development experience designed to usher in the next generation of cryptocurrency professionals. As it continues to roll out crypto-focused products and solutions, Visa says it wants to build a fully fluent cryptocurrency team now and in the future. Visa has stated unequivocally that it will not be left behind in the digital asset revolution. The company announced in December that it was launching a new crypto consulting service for merchants and banks. The company confirmed in September of last year that it was working on a blockchain interoperability project aimed at serving as a network of blockchain networks. Dedicated crypto teams are thriving within traditional financial institutions. As digital assets become more widely available, specialized crypto departments are quickly becoming the norm within traditional financial institutions. Nomura Holdings, a Japanese financial holding company that recently established a new digital asset department, is perhaps the most notable example. In an interview with Cointelegraph, Bitflyer USA executive Christopher Temi stated that this trend is likely to continue as more clients request exposure to crypto markets from their financial institutions. Goldman Sachs, it turns out, is already listening to its clients by providing access to Galaxy Digital's Bitcoin, BTC, and Ether, ETH, funds. As financial institutions establish dedicated crypto shops, you can expect to see a significant increase in the number of crypto-related job openings in the near future. Currencies raises $450 million in Series D funding and more than doubles its valuation in 4 months. Without another massive funding announcement from the blockchain industry, crypto biz would be incomplete. Currencies, a provider of blockchain infrastructure, announced this week that it had raised $450 million in Series D funding led by ParaFi Capital, with participation from Temasek, SoftBank Vision Fund 2, and Microsoft, among others. Currencies valuation has more than doubled to more than $7 billion, just 4 months after Cointelegraph reported that the company's valuation had surpassed the $3 billion mark. When you use MetaMask, one of the most popular cryptocurrency wallets and browser extensions, your value skyrockets. According to Currencies, MetaMask now has over 30 million monthly active users. Gauntlet, a crypto quant firm, has been valued at $1 billion as a result of its Series B funding. In other funding news, a crypto quant led by a former Wall Street executive raised $23.8 million in Series B funding this week, bringing the firm's total valuation to $1 billion. Gauntlet, the aforementioned new crypto unicorn, provides financial modeling tools to the decentralized finance (DeFi) industry. In other words, it assists DeFi platforms in determining optimal lending and collateral levels in order to improve capital efficiency and reduce risk. Aave and Compound are two of Gauntlet's most notable clients, both of which are among the top 10 DeFi projects in terms of market capitalization and total value locked. While the DeFi sector may be flying under the radar for the time being, don't be surprised if it becomes front-page news again. This may occur sooner than you think.